Hey y'all, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. While you're here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This will help my channel to grow, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching. Okay, so we're going to make a 3-tiered tray using Dollar Tree. I got this and this both at Dollar Tree. And then I got this also for $1, but it was at Dollar General. I got these little glasses in the wedding section of Dollar Tree. So the first thing you want to do is find the center point of your largest plate, and I've already done that. I'm going to be using E6000 to attach everything together. So what I'm going to do, it's actually going to sit this way. So I'm going to apply my E6000 to the bottom here, and I'm just using a skewer. And I'm just putting it all the way around the bottom of this little, I call it a shot glass. Now I'm going to center it up. And push it down. So we're going to set that aside and let that dry. Now we're going to do the same thing with this pie pan. There's my center on that one. Now I'm going to do the same thing with the E6000. Just get me a glob of it out. And then try to center it up. Now I'm going to add this onto the top. Alright, so we're going to get some more of the E6000, and we're going to put it around the edge of the shot glass on top. Now you center that on there, and I'm going to leave. I really want to do the other one also. Just go ahead and do it. Now I'm going to add a little hot glue just to hold it in place while it dries. Keep your fingers crossed this works. The last time I tried this, it did not. And I wound up with a 2-tiered tray. Okay, so let's add our hot glue here. I know you can't see what I'm doing. But I'm just adding hot glue to this middle on the bottom. And now I'm going to do the same thing, if I can get to the bottom, here. Like I said, I'm just hoping that the hot glue will hold everything in place until the E6000 hardens, which usually takes about 24 hours. So, once I get this done, I'm gonna let it cure overnight. And then tomorrow, hopefully everything will be good and I will be able to paint it. Actually gonna try to put some books on it. Just for the weight. Alright, see y'all again tomorrow. I let the tray dry for 2 days and then took it outside and simply spray painted it black. At first I was going to give it a galvanized look, but decided to leave it black. In the comments, let me know if you think I should go back and galvanize this. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you will be notified each time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching.